pigs. It's like a pig party. We need a big bird for this. I think the white bird is perfect. She flies and then she drops an egg like a bomb. Watch this. Fly, white bird, fly. And then, tap. Boom. The egg just exploded and hit 3 pigs at once. That was awesome. They look so dizzy now. Oh, a pig is on a tall tower. How do we get him? Maybe if we hit the bottom of the tower, it will all fall down. Let's try. Pull the slingshot, aim at the base, and fire. Yes! The tower is shaking. It's falling, falling, falling. Crash. We got him. No more hiding for the pigs. This is a super tricky level with lots of bouncy things. The pigs think they are so clever hiding behind them. But we are smarter. Let's use the red bird again. He's simple but strong. Pull the slingshot, aim for that bouncy thing, and fire. Whoosh! He bounced off and hit a pig. Ha! That was a lucky shot. Let's try to make it even better. There's a pig on the very top. I need to hit him directly. Aim, aim, a little bit to the right. Perfect. Fire. Go, red bird. You can do it. Yes. He flew straight to the pig. We got another one. Only 1 pig left now. We are so close to winning. This is the final pig. The last one. We have to win this level. Come on, birds, let's do this. I still have the white bird. She's strong with her egg bomb. Or maybe red bird can finish him off. I'm going to use the red bird for the final hit. He's the original. He's the best. Pull the slingshot. Back, back, one last time. Aim perfectly for that last pig and fire. Whoosh! He flew like a superhero. Him. Smash! We got him. Woohoo! We won. 3 stars. That was the best Angry Birds game ever. Thank you for watching me play. It was so much fun. See you next time, everyone. This level has so many stones. How are we going to break them? I know. Yellow bird is super fast. Ready, yellow bird? Go, go, go. Zoom. And when I tap the screen, he flies even faster. Whoa! He broke through 2 stones. That was amazing. Look at the pigs flying in the air. Bye-bye, pigs. Don't you come back. Oh, there's a big pig hiding behind a tiny stone. He thinks he's smart, but he's not. Let's hit that stone again. Pull the slingshot, aim, and fire. Yes! We got him. Another star for us. This is so exciting. Blue birds are my favorite because they are 3 in 1. Look how small they are. Ready, blue birds? Fly. And then tap. 1, 2, 3 birds. Triple power. They smashed into the ice blocks. Ice is so easy to break with the blue birds. Crash. The pigs are rolling down. This is so funny. They look like little green balls. Where did that pig go? Oh, he's hiding under a big wooden plank. He thinks he's safe from the triple birds. Let's show him. Aim right at the wood. Pull the slingshot and fire. Tap, tap, tap. Yes! The wood broke and the pig fell. Another victory for the blue birds. Yay! This level has so many stones. How are we going to break them? I know. Yellow bird is super fast. Ready, yellow bird? Go, go, go. Zoom. And when I tap the screen, he flies even faster. Whoa! He broke through 2 stones. That was amazing. Look at the pigs flying in the air. Bye-bye, pigs. Don't you come back. Oh, there's a big pig hiding behind a tiny stone. He thinks he's smart, but he's not. Let's hit that stone again. Pull the slingshot, aim, and fire. Yes! We got him. Another star for us. This is so exciting. Oh wow! Look at this giant king pig. He's wearing a crown and he looks so angry. We need to defeat him to win this world. Which bird should we use? Maybe the big black bird again. He's strong. Or maybe the 3 blue birds. Let's try the yellow bird first. He's fast and he can break through quickly. Ready, yellow bird? Fly super fast. Zoom. He hit the side of the king pig's castle. It's shaking. But he's still standing. He's so tough. Okay, next bird. We need to aim for his weak spot. Where do you think it is? Maybe on the very top. Let's try hitting the blocks right above his head. Uh-oh, this level looks tricky. There's a big glass wall. How do we break glass? I need the black bird. He's super big and round and he explodes. Ready, black bird? Fly, fly, fly. And boom. Ha ha. Everything just shattered. The pigs are so scared now. They don't know what hit them. That was super loud. I love explosions. It's like fireworks, but for pigs. Oh, another pig is hiding far away. Can Blackbird reach him? Let's try to aim really far this time. Pull back as much as you can, a little bit more. Perfect. Fire. Go, Blackbird, go.